Circuit Makati is a riverfront redevelopment project by Ayala Land on the site of the former Santa Ana Racetrack in Makati, Metro Manila, Philippines. The 21-hectare, 52-acre site located in the northwest portion of Makati, on the south bank of the Pasig River, is planned to contain a mixed-use entertainment complex which would include an indoor theater, a shopping mall, hotels, and residential and office skyscrapers. It would also contain a football turf, skate park, and an outdoor entertainment area. The development is envisioned to become the new entertainment district of Makati and the city's lifestyle hub. Circuit Makati had been occupied by the Santa Ana Park, a horse racetrack which operated from 1937 to 2008. Built in the Art Deco style, the racetrack was home to the Santa Ana Turf Club, the forerunner of what is now the Philippine Racing Club, which introduced thoroughbred horse racing in the country. Prior to its establishment as a sporting and recreation facility, the site was home to the Santa Ana Cabaret, a dance hall and music venue for Manila's high society in the early 1900s. In 2009, a year after the Hippodrome was closed, the Philippine Racing Club opened its new home in the Santa Ana Park, Saddle and Club's Leisure Park, in Naik, Cavite. The club then entered into a joint venture agreement with Ayala Land and its subsidiary, Ayala Land, in 2011 for the development of the property. Globe Circuit Events Ground, a 2-hectare, 4.9-acre outdoor venue that can accommodate 20,000 people for concerts, dance performances, fashion shows, and sporting events. Santiago and Libertad Qua Park, a park at the riverbank of the Pasig River. Gomo Skate Park, an approximately 1,000 square meter, 11,000 square feet skate area covered with concrete skateboard ramps. Circuit Corporate Center, which consists of 2 office buildings with a total gross leasable area of 70,000 square meters, 750,000 square feet. BPO 3, a 3rd office building. Ayala Malls Circuit, a lifestyle center by Ayala Malls. Circuit Lane, a retail walk that composes the older, northern half of the mall. Power Max Center Spotlight Black Box Theater, a 300-seater performance venue on top of Circuit Lane. SNR Membership Shopping Circuit Makati. Samsung Performing Arts Theater, a 1,500-seat indoor performing arts theater. Seda Circuit, an upcoming Seda Hotel with 255 rooms. St. John Paul II Chapel, a Roman Catholic chapel at the 2nd level of Circuit Lane. Blue Pitch, formerly Gatorade Chelsea FC Blue Pitch, a 10,000 square meter, 110,000 square feet artificial football pitch. The Styles Enterprise Plaza, an office condominium by Ayala Land consisting of 2 towers. Solstice, a residential condominium tower by Ayala Land. Callisto, a residential condominium tower by Ayala Land. Astilla, a residential condominium tower by Ayala Land. The Flats, a dormitory by Ayala Land. Circuit Makati Transport Terminal, a known bus terminus of point-to-point (P2P) buses going to Pilar Village in Las Piñas, Nuvali in Santa Ar.